It started out like a movie scene, something straight out of a magazine. I crossed my feet.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a deep clean with me. I'm going to bring you guys along with me today. I have a ton of little deep cleaning projects that I wanted to do around my home today. And I have an awesome new vacuum cleaner to share with you guys later in this video, so definitely stay tuned. I can't wait to share it with you guys. It is by far one of my favorite vacuum cleaners that I have ever owned. So we are going to start out in my bathroom today. I'm going to be cleaning my light fixture in here, well, both of them, and if I'm being honest, I've never done this since we've moved in, and I noticed that it was looking a little bit dusty when I was wiping down the mirror just now, so I am just taking a damp cloth to do this, and I'm not gonna lie, y'all, I was terrified standing up here on the countertop. One thing about me that you might not know is I'm actually terrified of heights. I always have been that way. Even if I'm just a little bit off the ground, I just feel like my whole world is off balance and I feel like I'm gonna fall. So I was definitely having a little bit of a hard time standing up here on the counter to clean this thing, but it had to be done.
No, 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 don't need no pills to get high. There's no doubt in my mind. Your love, it is all that I need. It's all that I need. All I need is your loving. All I need is your
So while I'm cleaning off the counters today, I wanted to use my new Rubbermaid scrubber that I have. My friend Jamie over on Jamie's Journey uses this all the time in her videos, and I bought it because of her. I love it. I love that you can get in all of the little nooks and crannies in the sink and stuff, and I feel like you could use this all over the place. When I was using this today, my son was like, "Mom, why are you using a toothbrush to clean the sink?" It was pretty funny. But I love this thing. It is just kind of like a jumbo size toothbrush, and it works out perfectly for all of those tight spaces.
At one point I would never thought that I would meet someone like you. This time it's all different. You got every little string on me. The way you make me feel is crazy. How did you get so fly? You got me like my, my, my. You got me like my, my, my. You got me like.
While I'm kind of working in the bathroom here, I wanted to introduce myself if y'all are new around here. Maybe this is your first video that you are watching today, or maybe you've been here for a while and you want to know a little bit about me. My name is Whitney. I'm a stay-at-home mom. I have 2 kids. I have a 4-year-old son named Barrett and a 2-year-old daughter named Savannah. And we currently live in West Virginia with my husband, but we are originally from Maryland and we both grew up there and lived there our entire lives. So it is really nice living away from home. We really enjoyed living in West Virginia, and I make a ton of cleaning and organizing and decluttering videos here on my channel. So if that is something that you guys love, I would love absolutely nothing more than for you guys to subscribe and join my family. One of my favorite things about YouTube, and I talk about this all the time on my channel, is connecting with y'all, whether it's on comments on the video or even over on Instagram. So many of y'all DM me and I absolutely love talking with you guys. It is one of the highlights of my day every single time I log into social media.
Like, oh my God, this time it's all different. You got every little string on me.
So now that the bathroom is all nice and cleaned up, I am going to move into our master bedroom. I really wanted to get our bed made. This is something that I always try to do whenever I'm cleaning in here is I make the bed first, and that way all of that stuff is off the floor and I can kind of see what I have to work with. Now this day my room was not really all that messy because I ended up filming 2 videos within a day or 2 of each other, so I didn't have a whole lot of cleaning to do in this room because I deep cleaned it in another video. But again, just gonna make my bed, get that nice and done, and then I'm going to vacuum in here and share with you guys this awesome vacuum cleaner.
Or would you let it be if I leave tonight? We could do this right, we'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Before you turn away, I just want you to know that I didn't throw your stuff away. Before you make up your mind that I'm nowhere to find, I'm standing right.
So here's the vacuum that I wanted to share with y'all. This is the Hoover One Power Evolve Pet Cordless Small Upright Vacuum Cleaner. It's lightweight, it's amazing, I absolutely love it. So thank you Hoover for sponsoring today's video and working with me today so that I could showcase this vacuum cleaner for you guys. Now what's awesome about it is the battery actually removes from the vacuum and you can charge it, so you don't need a wall mount or anything fancy to plug your vacuum cleaner into. Now there are 3 modes on this vacuum. There's the hard floor option, the carpet option, and then you can turn the brush roller off. I personally always use it because I find that it helps get all the cat hair and stuff and my hair, and there's 2 girls that live in our house, so there's just always hair on the floor, and I cannot obsess over this vacuum cleaner enough, guys. It's super lightweight, but not only that, it has really good suction for carpet. I'm really picky about my vacuum cleaners on my carpet. You guys know that I rave about my Walmart vacuum all the time, but honestly I love this one even more. And what's awesome is when you put it all the way up and it's still running, it will automatically turn the brush off so that it's not just rolling on your carpet and making marks into it while it's just sitting there. So I thought that was a pretty cool feature as well. Now I've been using this vacuum cleaner for a couple of weeks. You guys have probably seen it in my recent videos. I even had a few of you guys asking about it. So this is that vacuum cleaner. Look at all of the dirt that it pulled up from just the carpet in my bedroom. If y'all are interested and you want to check it out for yourself, I will leave a link in the description box. I highly recommend this vacuum if you've got a ton of carpet and hardwood floors in your home. It will not disappoint.
Stay till the morning light. Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be if I leave tonight? We could do this right, we'll find the remedy.
So since I cleaned my light fixture in the bathroom upstairs, I noticed how dusty this one was actually worse. And this light fixture is actually more new than the one upstairs, so that's a little bit embarrassing. I think it's because this bathroom is used more and the vent is right there as well. Don't really know if that has a difference, but I wanted to get these nice and cleaned off as well. And then I am just going to go in here and clean the whole bathroom today, wiping down the mirror and the countertop. I'm going to be using my little toothbrush tool, that's what I'm going to call it, in the bathroom today as well. And then I will clean the toilet and vacuum and mop in here and just get this bathroom back in working order.
I swear that I'm sober, just listen, I miss you. And I know that I said all these things, but now when you're with her, I can see that you miss me.
While I am cleaning in here, I did want to pop on and thank you guys for all of the love and support that you've shown my family over the past 2 weeks. If you guys didn't know, my grandfather actually passed away 2 weeks ago. He had been really sick over the entire year, and so we knew it was coming. We just didn't really know when, but unfortunately he did pass away. We are all doing okay. My mom is doing okay, and I just wanted to come on here and thank you guys because I had so many of you guys messaging me and reaching out, just asking how I was doing and just being so supporting and loving to my family during this time and understanding for the fact that I could not get videos up because I was just spending time with family. So Again, I just wanted to thank you guys. I am so thankful for this platform and all of my amazing friends that I've made on here. I absolutely love each and every single one of you. Sometimes I feel like I don't even deserve the amount of love that you guys give me, and I just really feel blessed and thankful for you guys all the time.
Strangers again. Strangers again. I thought we'd never fall. Could have tried much harder. All we have are scars. You said we'd get so high, higher up than heaven. You said we'd reach the stars. And look at us now. Could have gone so far. It hurts to realize we're parted. And look at us now. This is who we are.
So now we are going to move into the kitchen. I had a full load of dishes to put away, so I am just going to take this time and do that. And then I will just kind of work my way around in here and put everything away, get all of the dishes cleaned off, the counters wiped down, and just get the kitchen put back together. Now, like I mentioned before, I actually deep cleaned the kitchen recently, so it didn't really need a deep clean, but I did want to get in here and just get everything straightened up. I was in the process of making dinner. I was making ribs this day, so I had to start them pretty early on in the day. So those were in the oven. So if you see my little pizza stone sitting out on my countertop, that is why, because I needed to take it out of the oven to put the ribs in there. But anyway, now I'm just rambling. So I'm just gonna go in here and get everything nice and tidy.
I'll try to forget you. Just didn't think we'd end up this way. Like strangers again. Strangers again. Like strangers again. Oh, I know things will never be the same. Like strangers again. Like strangers again.
So I don't know if you guys ever notice or not, but I am almost always listening to something when I'm cleaning, whether it's a podcast or music or one of my books on Audible. And today I was just listening to some music. NF is one of my favorite artists to listen to. I just feel like his songs really resonate with me and the things that I've been through in my past. So I wanted to ask you guys to get to know you a little bit more. What kind of music do you like to listen to? What is your favorite genre? Maybe a favorite song or an artist, or just something that you guys enjoy listening to, whether you're cleaning or in your car or whatever. I typically, well, honestly, I really like all music. If I'm being completely honest, I could listen to anything, but the things that I gravitate towards the most are EDM or metal punk type of music. I know that might sound so strange to so many of you guys, but that is actually the type of music that I really enjoy and that I've always been into ever since I was a young kid. So let me know in the comments what you guys like to listen to. I want to get to know you guys better, and I just love chatting with you guys in the comments. Anyways, you guys, that is going to be it for this video today. I hope that you guys enjoyed it and it gave you some motivation to get some cleaning done in your home today. As always, thank you guys so much for taking the time out of your day to watch my video and support my family. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you all in the next one.